This is Techsmith Capture. It is a free utility for capturing screenshots, both video and standalone images. It's a free download for both Windows and Macintosh, and you'll also want to sign up for a screencast.com account because it works so well and so easily with Techsmith Capture. As I mentioned before, it's available for download for both Windows and Macintosh computers, and once it's installed, just go ahead and open up the application, and this is the simple interface. If you have a webcam, you can use it to capture the video from your webcam, but if you just want to go ahead and capture something, the first thing you do is select the capture area, and as you pause, it's got that nice magnifying glass with a crosshair so that you can be very precise in what you capture. That is, if you want to be. And then once you've got your area selected, you can either select to capture an image, or you can capture a video of that portion that you have selected. So let's go ahead and start with capturing an image. So I'll just go ahead and capture that. It took just that long. And then up here I have these options to go ahead and add some callouts, some arrows, and highlights before I save my picture. So I'll go ahead and I'll choose this green color. They give you 8 choices. And I could put in an arrow here. I could draw a shape around this. Or I can add a callout with text, like so. It also has a highlighting option so that you can highlight, and if you decide to change the color or you want to change the text, you can select any of these items and come in and edit them. Once you have your image the way you like it, you can either go ahead and copy it to your clipboard, or you can save it as a PNG file, just about as common as JPEGs, or you can upload it to screencast.com, and that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and uploading it. It gives me a link that I could go ahead and copy and paste into something, or I can just go ahead and open it up in screencast.com. So there's my wonderful image, and up here, let's see, I need to sign in. I'll pause for a second while I do that. Okay, so I'm signed in, and here's the neat part, is that you can go ahead and share this, and again, this is the same URL that you had before, or it also gives you embedded code, which you can take and paste into your learning management system like Canvas or Blackboard or Schoology or whatever you're using. And you can also send an email, and if you do that, if you have a list of all your students, you can go ahead and paste them in there and send them the image. Same thing is true with videos. So if I go to all of my items here, and let's see, let's find a video. Okay, here's a 2-second video right here. I can go ahead and share that, and again, I get the same information. Sharing a video is just as easy. Go ahead and fire up Techsmith Capture. Click on the Capture button, select your area, and this time click on the little movie camera option. And when you do that, you've got a record button. If you decide you want to record whatever's on your webcam, could be you, could be a science experiment, whatever you want, go ahead and make sure you turn on whatever microphone that you're using. And then this one right here is for toggling system audio. So all those little beeps and alerts that you get when using your computer will record those. Likewise, if you're playing something and it's playing through your computer speakers, it will record that as well. It'll also pick it up through the microphone, but it'll give you a separate channel for that. So we'll just go ahead and click that, and it gives us a nice little countdown so that you can kind of prepare, clear your throat. When you're done, just go ahead and hit stop. And in this case, you can't save your video, at least not directly like you could with your image. So you want to upload that to screencast.com. And then you can either go ahead and copy the link to the video so the students can watch it from screencast.com, or you can open it up in screencast.com, and when you go to all of your videos. So here's my most excellent video right here. There's a download link. And they're going to give you a little bit of a warning to tell you that that download counts towards your available bandwidth. Now, screencast.com is free, but there are limitations. And one of the limitations are you can only have 2 gigabytes of bandwidth for free per month. And if your students are watching a lot of your video that is hosted on screencast.com, well, you're going to go through your bandwidth allotment pretty quickly for the month. So what I'd recommend is downloading the MP4 file and then uploading it to YouTube and then sharing that link rather than sharing video through screencast.com. Images probably aren't a big deal, and if you use this a lot, I still don't think you're going to be able to get to the 2 gigabyte bandwidth limitation. So that's Techsmith Capture in a nutshell. It's very handy, and like I said, it's free and it's very easy to use. If you do want more power, you might look at Snagit or Camtasia. You have to pay for those, but I pay for them every year. They do offer educators pricing, and I consider it money well spent.